In today's fast-paced business world, computers are rarely used in isolation. Instead, they're almost always networked together, forming the backbone of modern office environments. This interconnectedness is what allows organizations to operate smoothly and efficiently, no matter their size. By connecting computers through a network, businesses can share resources seamlessly. This means files, printers, and even specialized software can be accessed by anyone who needs them, without the hassle of moving physical devices or data around. Without a network, sharing files would require using USB drives or external hard disks, which can be slow, inconvenient, and prone to errors. It's easy to lose track of which version is the most recent, leading to confusion and wasted time. Networked file sharing, on the other hand, lets teams collaborate on the same document in real time. Everyone can access the latest version instantly, making teamwork more effective and reducing the risk of mistakes. Centralized storage solutions, such as servers or network-attached storage devices, make it much easier to back up important data and keep it secure. With everything stored in one place, IT teams can manage backups and security protocols efficiently, protecting valuable business information. Printer sharing is another major benefit. Instead of every desk needing its own printer, one high-quality device can serve the entire office. This not only saves money on hardware, but also reduces clutter and maintenance needs. Employees can send print jobs directly from their computers to the shared printer over the network. This streamlines the printing process, cuts down on unnecessary equipment, and makes it easier to manage supplies like paper and toner. Networking computers doesn't just boost efficiency, it also encourages collaboration. Teams can work together on projects, share ideas instantly, and respond quickly to new challenges, all thanks to the power of shared resources. With centralized data, managing and securing information becomes much simpler. IT managers can enforce security policies, monitor access, and ensure that sensitive data is protected from unauthorized users. Sharing resources also means making the most of your hardware investments. Instead of buying duplicate equipment, businesses can allocate resources where they're needed most, maximizing value and minimizing waste. IT professionals play a crucial role in setting up, maintaining, and troubleshooting these systems. Their expertise ensures that networks run smoothly and securely, supporting the entire organization. For any modern workplace, mastering file and printer sharing is essential. It's not just about convenience, it's about staying competitive and agile in a digital world. In this guide, we'll walk you through the key concepts and practical steps for sharing resources across different operating systems, so your team can work smarter, not harder. Let's explore how networks make business collaboration possible, breaking down barriers and connecting people, ideas, and tools. Understanding these basics is the first step toward building a smooth-running, future-ready office where everyone can do their best work together. For computers to share files and printers, they need common protocols. The most common for Windows is SMB, which lets you access folders on other computers as if they were local. SMB has evolved over time, improving speed and security, and is now used by other systems too. Linux and Unix systems often use NFS, which efficiently shares entire file systems. Windows can be configured to use NFS for mixed environments. For printers, LPD, LPR is an older but still used protocol, while IPP is now more common. Knowing these protocols is key to setting up cross-platform sharing. With the right protocol, any computer can join the network and share resources. Windows makes sharing folders and printers simple. Whether you're working in a small office or managing a larger network, sharing resources efficiently is essential for productivity and teamwork, and Windows provides a range of built-in tools to help you do just that. Use the file sharing wizard for quick sharing. Just right-click a folder, choose Give Access To, and pick Users and Permissions. This method is perfect for sharing documents, project folders, or media files with colleagues or family members on the same network. For more control, use Advanced Sharing to set share names, user limits, and permissions. Advanced sharing is ideal for IT administrators or power users who need to fine-tune access, set custom permissions, or manage how many people can connect to a shared folder at once. Printer sharing is just as easy. Simply open the printers and scanners settings, select your printer, and enable sharing. This allows anyone on your network to print documents without needing to connect directly to the printer. For seamless compatibility, install extra drivers for different operating systems. This ensures that everyone, regardless of their device, can print without issues or additional setup. The Shared Folder Snap-in in computer management lets you see and manage all shared folders, user sessions, and open files. This centralized view is invaluable for monitoring who is accessing what, and for troubleshooting any sharing issues that may arise. You can create, modify, or disconnect shares from one place, making it easy to keep your network organized and up to date as your needs change. These tools help administrators keep sharing organized and secure. With options for setting permissions and monitoring access, you can ensure sensitive information stays protected while still enabling collaboration. With just a few clicks, you can enable collaboration and resource sharing across your network, making it easier for teams to work together and access the files or printers they need. Windows' built-in tools make managing shared resources straightforward, reducing the need for third-party software and simplifying IT management for businesses of any size. Efficient sharing starts with knowing where to look and what to configure. By mastering these features, you can create a secure, collaborative environment that supports your team's productivity and keeps your data safe. Once a folder is shared, users need a way to access it. The quickest method is using a UNC path. Type in File Explorer or Run. For frequent access, map the share as a network drive, assigning it a letter like Z. Mapped drives appear alongside local drives and reconnect automatically at login. This makes accessing shared files as easy as clicking a folder. Some older applications require a mapped drive to save files to the network. Remember, mapped drives depend on the network. If the server is offline, access is lost. UNC paths are direct, but mapped drives are convenient for daily use. Choose the method that fits your workflow. To truly understand network printing, it's important to start with a few foundational terms and concepts. These basics will help you navigate the world of printers, print servers, and print queues with confidence. Whether you're supporting a small office or a large enterprise environment, the print device refers to the actual physical printer, the hardware that sits in your office or workspace. This is the machine that takes your digital documents and turns them into paper copies. In contrast, the printer in Windows is not a physical object, but rather the software interface that allows your computer to communicate with the print device. It's where you install drivers, set preferences, and manage print jobs. Interestingly, you can create multiple logical printers for a single physical device. Each logical printer can have its own settings, such as color or black and white, double-sided printing, or specific paper trays, tailored to different users or departments. A print server is a specialized computer or device that manages print jobs from many users across the network. It receives print requests, queues them, and sends them to the appropriate printer, ensuring that jobs are processed in order and resources are used efficiently. In larger organizations, a dedicated print server is essential. It centralizes the management of multiple printers, streamlines administration, and helps prevent bottlenecks, making the entire printing process more reliable and efficient. The print queue is a virtual line where print jobs wait their turn to be processed. Administrators can monitor this queue, pause, or cancel jobs, and even change the order of printing to prioritize urgent documents. Understanding the distinctions between print device, printer, print server, and print queue is crucial for effective troubleshooting. When something goes wrong, knowing which component is at fault can save valuable time and reduce frustration. Mastering these concepts empowers you to quickly diagnose and resolve network printing issues, keeping your team productive and minimizing downtime. For any IT administrator, a solid grasp of these key concepts is the foundation for managing a reliable and efficient network printing environment. Linux servers can share files and printers with Windows using Samba. Samba implements the SMB protocol, making Linux appear as a Windows server on the network. Configure Samba by editing to set up shares and permissions. Restart Samba after changes to make new shares available. For printers, Linux uses CUPS, which integrates with Samba to share printers with Windows clients. The section enshares all CUPS printers automatically. Windows users can connect to these printers just like any other network printer. Samba and CUPS together make Linux a powerful, cost-effective file and print server. This setup is ideal for mixed OS environments. macOS makes sharing files and printers easy and compatible with Windows and Linux. In System Preferences, enable file sharing and add folders to share. Set user permissions and choose SMB or AFP for compatibility. For printers, enable printer sharing and select which printers to share. Macs use Bonjour for automatic discovery, while Windows users connect using the printer's network address. To access a shared folder, use Finder's Connect to Server and enter the network address. For Windows shares, use Zoe. Once connected, shared folders appear in Finder for easy access. macOS's unified interface makes sharing straightforward for any user. Cross-platform sharing is built right in. Managing access starts with user and group accounts. Users are individuals, groups are collections of users for easier permission management. In Windows, use local users and groups for small networks, or Active Directory for large ones. Active Directory centralizes account and group management across the organization. Linux uses command line tools Lycan to manage accounts and groups. macOS offers a graphical users and groups tool, but also supports command line management. Assign permissions to groups, not individuals, for efficiency and fewer errors. Proper account management is the foundation of network security. Always keep user lists and group memberships up to date. Secure shared resources by controlling who can access them. Securing shared folders and printers means setting the right permissions. Always follow the principle of least privilege. Give users only the access they need. In Windows, use share permissions for network access and NTFS permissions for detailed control. NTFS permissions are more granular. The most restrictive permission applies. On Linux and macOS, permissions are set for owner, group, and others, with read, write, and execute options. Assign permissions to groups, not individuals, for easier management. Regularly review and update permissions, especially when users change roles or leave. Audit your shares to ensure no one has unnecessary access. Combining strong account management with proper permissions keeps your network secure. Best practices ensure reliable, safe resource sharing for everyone.